Hello everyone and welcome to HairCareShare. Today we'll be reviewing the Hydra shampoo from Biolage, the classic series for keeping your hair hydrated. Does your hair need some extra hydration? Can it quench the thirst of the long dry hair? And is this the right shampoo for you? Well, let's find out.
Hi, my name is Herman. I'm a self-employed hairdresser with over 25 years of experience, and I'm here to share my hair care expertise and insights with you.
According to their official website, the Biolage Hydra shampoo quenched your thirst for beautiful hair. Inspired by the ever-hydrated aloe vera, Biolage Hydra shampoo helps optimize moisture balance for healthy-looking hair and gently cleanses, leaving hair moisturized and shiny.
Well, first of all, I hope you all had a great summer. A lot has happened during the summer, so I was unable to upload contents. Hopefully things gets better in the coming weeks, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. All right, key ingredients. Aloe vera. The benefits for the hair includes moisturizing and conditioning, reduces dandruff and itchy scalp, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair, and helps maintain the natural pH balance of the scalp. It says that the Hydra shampoo is inspired by the aloe vera. Why not just say it contains aloe vera? Aloe vera is said to benefit, reduces hair loss, and promote hair growth, but the shampoo doesn't claim to do so, which I think makes perfect sense, as it's mostly focused on hydration. Sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium lauryl sulfate, these two are on the second and third place on the ingredient list. It's definitely a cleaning shampoo. Sodium lauryl sulfate is the stronger detergent of the two, but luckily it is the lesser one on the list. Other key ingredients include sodium chloride, salicylic acid, glycosisterate. These are just the usual ingredients in a shampoo. But there are a few interesting ingredients such as coumarin, a fragrant organic compound found in many plants, offers several potential benefits for hair, like to help protect the hair and scalp from oxidative stress, can help soothe the scalp, reduce irritation, reduce the growth of harmful bacteria, and it's known to improve blood circulation. Well, sounds like it's a very effective ingredient, but it is not the key ingredient here, as it's listed almost at the end of the ingredient list, so I really wonder how much are we getting actually. Another one on the end of the list is Passiflora edulis, commonly known as passion fruit. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and B, and as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. And the good news is the shampoo does not contain any dimethicone. The fragrance is the very iconic Biolage fragrance. The smell of fresh, clean laundry with a dab of fruity scent. And I think it smells a bit like passion fruit as well. The shampoo is semi-transparent and clear of pearly, glittery stuff. The texture is a liquid gel that feels super light and easily foam up. The conditioner is pure white. It doesn't feel oily or creamy, but more like a hydrating gel. Easy to apply and evenly distributed on the hair. The mask is a very light green and it smells more like aloe vera. Feels lightweight and creamy, but a bit more oily than the conditioner, which is normal. The blow dry shaping lotion is not a liquid lotion, but more like a gel cream. It is pure white with a hint of pearlescent. The fragrance is similar to the shampoo, but with a stronger hint of almond.
And now it's a demonstration time. Here is our model. And as you can see, that hair is naturally curl. And it's a bit dry. Didn't color or do any perm. It's just pretty natural but dry. So we're gonna use the shampoo and we're gonna wash twice. And here we are going to use the HydraSource pack treatment. Yes, it's a small pack, but you don't need a lot, just that amount. Yeah, should be more than enough, especially for short hair. As you can see, it is green, but don't worry, it's the green. I think is probably from the aloe vera. It's not gonna make your blonde hair green, or it's not gonna turn your hair green. No. And now we're going to apply the blow dry cream. A small amount like that would be more than enough. Also, just apply it evenly to the hair from the ends to the mid-length, and then maybe just a little bit on the roots, depending on how dry your hair is. So now we're just going to dry the hair as natural as possible by using the diffuser and nothing else, so we can really see the final results. And yes, this is the final results. As you can see here, that the hair is more shiny and it feels healthier, and overall is not oily as well.
So, is it color safe? Not quite. It is gentle enough and should be fine with most colors, but if you have a vibrant color, like a freshly done vibrant color, then maybe just go use something else for a while. I find myself using the HydraSource very often during my work. What I like about it is that it makes the hair soft and looks healthy without overdoing it by smoothing the hair with dimethicone or boosting the shine with mica. Since quite a number of my clients are here for haircuts only, these clients have typical Asian hair with no color and other chemical treatment, which I would consider their hair as healthy hair. But the hair does get dry from other elements such as hard water and hot hair dryers, and this is when the HydraSource really performs. It makes the hair feel as if it's back to its original healthy state without being too oily. The shampoo and the conditioner are my favorite. It is a safe, healthy choice for normal to dry hair for all ages. A very good general shampoo to have for the whole family. I also like the fact that by using key ingredients such as aloe vera, this shampoo is very suitable for the summer and warm, humid locations because there is no oil in it. It is a hydrating series and not repairing series. So if you have chemically treated hair or super damaged hair, then this will not be strong enough for you. Well, when compared to the other one, the strength recovery, HydraSource is definitely the lighter one. And when compared to the volume bloom, HydraSource is the more hydrating one. So you get the picture.
The HydraSource shampoo is a popular product in the Biolage range, known for its hydrating properties. Aloe vera and passion fruit are key ingredients that help maintain moisture in the hair. The absence of oil-based ingredients such as glycerin or coconut oil is a thoughtful choice, as not all hair types benefit from them. HydraSource is ideal for those with healthy to slightly dry hair, particularly if the dryness is due to excessive styling or exposure to the elements. However, for chemically treated hair, stronger options like strength recovery are recommended. Overall, HydraSource is a versatile shampoo suitable for general use and for all ages.
Well, I hope you find this video somewhat helpful. If there is something more that you would like to know, then please leave me a comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more hair care contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.